Disney. A Darren Williams ar yr asgell dde. 3 yn disgwyl yn y cwrt. Un ohonyn nhw yw Byron Harrison. Curran yn reoli'r bêl. Yn syrthio i'r llawr a Lee Evans yn dynodi cic o'r smotyn. Y drosedd gan Clayton Green. Ne Callum Sainty, dywyswch chi. Callum Morris i roi'r pencampwyr ar y blaen. Morris! Mike Lewis yn arbed yr ergyd o droed Callum Morris. Ond o bod yn hollol onest, doedd hi ddim y gic o'r smotyn ore. Cummings ar tafliad hir. Horan oedd i tannu yn ceisio clirio. Horan eto! Ond Cei Connah yn ergydio yn syth i gefn yr hwyd. Mae'r Barri ar y blaen yn erbyn y pencampwyr. 2 munud ar 20 ar y cloc. Y gic hir, lawr ca. Harrison sydd oedd i tannu. Harrison i rwyd, ond mi oedd Lee Evans wedi chwibanu cyn i'r bêl yna groesi'r linell. Trosedd ar Mike Lewis. Wel, doedd hi fawr o drosedd. Cottrell, o, na chi bas ddeallus i lwybr. Cei Connah yn twyllo Disney. Disney yn llorio Connah. Y drosedd broffesiynol. A dwi'n ame bod Andy Morrison fel gweddill y chwaraewyr yn gwybod beth sy'n dod nesaf. Ie, carden goch i John Disney. Y pencampwyr Cei Connah lawr i 10 a gol ar ei hôl hi. Cottrell. Cei Connah aras drwy'r canol. Mae Brandon Griffiths yno! A'r bêl yn dod oddi ar y trawst yn y diwedd, ond amddiffyn arwrol gan Tom Moore yn rhoi gorff rhwng y bêl a'r gol. Ond mi ddyle'r eilydd Brandon Griffiths di sgorio.
I don't think it was a great game to watch, but in terms of a spectacle of, you know, two teams that were competitive and honest and hard-working, I thought that it was full of that. I know we're better than that in possession. I've got to give Connah's Quay credit for, you know, how they stopped us there, but yeah, delighted to keep a clean sheet against them today.
We missed a penalty in the first 5 minutes, which is a key moment. It's not the end of the game, but we concede a really poor goal from a second phase on a set play. You know, somebody switches off, and that was the only shot they had on goal in the first half. You know, the first 20 minutes we started really well. We were on top of the game, and then that goal made things difficult for us. We come out the second half, and then, you know, obviously the red card, and you know, I'll have to see it from the Scorio side. We've seen it from our side, and what it basically says is, it doesn't matter where you're on the pitch, even if you're out wide and you're a one-on-one situation, if you knock the ball past the player and it's a foul, you're off. I don't believe that's the rule, but you've got to take another. You're out wide and you've knocked past the player. You've got to take another 3 touches to get in towards the goal, and that then slows things up. You're not through on goal. So it's not a red card for me, and it's a really tough one to take. We then kept battling. We were honest. I was proud of the players at that point, because you could crumble, and we had the better chances. You know, they've had a chance in the last minute, but you know, we had the better chances throughout the game. But really, probably a reflection of where we're at, and it's tough for us at the minute. It's tough a time and a period as I've ever had, because, you know, Diz is suspended now, but we will be appealing it. Aaron Williams has got a nasty knee injury, and we're absolutely down to the bare bones.
So fantastic to see so many younger supporters here today, and hopefully they'll come back, you know, and understand that there's a really good football club on their doorstep, you know. Proud of the achievement. You started a long time ago, 2007. I was 27 years of age, and I'm 42 now, and we all just jump on that treadmill, don't we? We train and we play, and we train and we play, and you rarely get time to reflect back on things. But immensely proud, but at the same time, I know I'm very lucky to work for this football club as well.